Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Today I am doing some barbecue ribs in my Deluxe air fryer and oven. And I'm also going to do some potatoes. So I'll show you in a second. Okay, so I need to put my ribs in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And this is just going in the bottom. So we're going to put this in there and let it cook. And I'm doing sync so that they should, both my vegetables and my, what do you call it, should come out at the same time. How I'm going to do my potatoes is I'm gonna put them in our little, oh, we gotta take that out, in my little thing right here. And we're gonna turn it. And then we do this. And here are my potatoes. So they make that nice little design on them. And so I'm gonna do all of these. Look at that. And it's gonna get nice and crispy and stuff. So I'm gonna do all of these. And then I'm also going to do, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of, onion in here too. Maybe some carrot, because I like those types of vegetables that when I roast them together. So I think that I'm gonna do that. I'm just loving this little cutter because I think all of these little sides and stuff are gonna get nice and crispy, and I like crispy potatoes. So I'm gonna toss them with a little bit of oil and seasoning, and then we're gonna go with that. Okay, I'm trying some of my zucchini. I'm just gonna put it in here, do that, and there it is. So I'm just gonna do the zucchini like this and roast it up. This is fine. So here are my veg. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. Let me get some seasoning. Hold on, because I forgot it. Oh, here's some salt. Need salt. Especially on the potatoes, they really need those. And then I'm gonna do a little bit pepper. And my favorite on these are an Italian seasoning, so let me get that. So I couldn't find my Italian seasoning, so I'm just gonna use my basil. And you know, I think I want a little paprika on this, just a smattering. Well, a little more than a smattering. Then I'm gonna get in here and kind of massage it all in. And this is gonna go, I'm gonna cut this one a little bit because this one needs a little bit more. That's gonna go in the top oven. Okay, it's done. So let's see how this came out. And I'm just gonna open both of them up. First off, the veggies. Oh my gosh, look at how nice those look. And look at this. So beautiful and nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. And at the end, I put on the sweet onion barbecue sauce. So we're just gonna serve this up and eat this for dinner. What are you having? I'd love to hear.